After dark, a mile of Wisconsin forest starts to glow. This is Aquavia Lumina. You'll find it at Chula Vista Resort in the Dells, and it opens the moment the sun drops. Early on, a boulder cracks open. Inside, a glowing stag, and 4 words: "We are all water." Woven lanterns pull you into the woods. Then the forest takes over. In one stretch of forest, the sky starts moving. Lasers roll overhead like waves. The stags keep appearing on hillsides, inside waterfalls. They're pointing you somewhere. You are part of the experience, and there are parts where the forest reacts to you. Some sections sing to you. Others don't make a sound. Moonlight, fireflies, and a slower kind of glow. And when the trail wants to overwhelm you, it can. At the end of the trail, you will find the source. There is nothing like this anywhere else in the Dells. While you're in the Dells, there's another adventure worth a look. Wizard Quest, a giant interactive fantasy maze. Watch this video to see more.